How to create an Epic Discord server. So if you want to go ahead and get an Epic Discord server, what you are going to be doing is you're going to first of all click on add a server, and you're obviously going to go ahead and choose a template. You don't want to create your own because it's going to be totally blank. So I'm going to go with gaming. For me and my friends, you're going to give it a cool server name, okay? And then you're also going to give it a cool PNG or a cool image to go along with. So I'm going to give it this PNG over here, and I'm going to click on create. And once we click on create, here we are. So now you can see that you actually have good, proper servers aligned for gaming. You also have the events section where you can actually create events. Now you have personalized it. You can start adding your applications, okay? So the applications you can add are in big bulk. So there's Truth or Dare for gaming, Server Supervisor, which is a moderator. Then moving on, you have different types of bots that people can talk to. There's music bots, double counter, different RPGs, and a whole lot more. So these are different things you can add into your server to make it look epic and incredible. And obviously, last but not least, add friends and add a whole community, and that will make your Discord server pretty cool. So that's pretty much about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.